Mark Frank Valina.
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Okay. When did you find out that this guy, the immigration guy at the desk, when did you find out that Sombrero was able to leave? How did you find out and when did you find out?
On January 16th, sir, around 8:30 in the morning.
January
16, oh, sorry, 17. 17 around 8:30 in the morning, 2 hours after the departure.
And how did you know?
The terminal head of Terminal 2 called me up, excuse me, and informed me that indeed Mr. Wally Sombrero was able to leave the country that morning.
How did he leave? Well, let me put it this way. May order ang Secretary of Justice. Labas sa diary ito, may order si General Bato na huli lahat sa mga nandiyan, pinapatigil pa nga yung online gaming na yan. Masyadong maligaling itong kaso na ito. Soberano is not a common name. Sabihan na kayo Soberano kay Wally, kay Pedro, kay Elvis, chichikin nyo yan. Tama?
Yes, sir.
O, paano nakalusot yun?
Sir, according to the reports submitted to us by the supervisor and the immigration officer, upon primary inspection, the immigration officer has doubts already that the person in front of her was Mr. Sombrero.
So, nagduda na siya?
Opo, the
tapos,
immigration officer at the counter, nagduda na po siya. And so, he referred the matter to the supervisor.
Who is?
Ms. Melba Lopez.
Uh-huh.
And as a policy, when an immigration officer at the counter refers the matter to the supervisor assumes the responsibility on the decision making. And so when they verified the name, the passport in the system, the name of Mr. Sombrero did not hit in our database because the the details on the ILBO was only Wally Sombrero, but not the full name, Wenceslao Sombrero. And then basing it on the details given to us, the supervisor decided to allow the subject to leave the country.
And what is your judgment about that?
It was reported to me, sir.
Yes, I know. What is your judgment about that? I think the guy who first accosted him, na nagduda, was doing his job, correct?
Yes, sir.
He did his job. And then Melba Lopez intervened. And he said, ibang pangalan, do you think she did her job?
She made some lapses on the conduct.
No. My question is, did she do her job?
Yes, sir.
She did her job. Pinalabas ka.
She made her interview, sir, and her own inspection, but based on our investigation, there were lapses during the conduct.
What are the lapses? You know, these excuses called lapses. You know, that's unmitigated diarrhea. Anong lapse? Pangalan Sombrero eh. How many people do you know? This is the first time I ever encountered the name Sombrero. Not so, even if Sombrero, check-upin ko yun, kuha ko yun. Alamin ko kung ito yan. Anong lapse ni Melba Lopez?
Sir, she
John, Shane, Grace, Subig did their job. Don't you think so, Commissioner? Nag-report siya, may Sombrero rito. Marino ito. Tinawag si Melba Lopez. Nag-judgment call si Melba Lopez na hindi yan dahil nakalagay. Hindi Wally, ngunit Wenceslao. At on that basis, pinalabas na, she should be fired. Anong basis? Anong lapse? And I've been living in many positions in this country, and I take full responsibility for what I do and for what my people do. My people will tell you when nagkamali sila, I will take the fall. I will say, it's my fault. I'm known for that, even in the Senate. Now, I'm asking you, nagkulang si Melba Lopez, hindi nagkulang. Hindi niya ginawa ang trabaho niya. Did you investigate it?